I think usually we cram so many things into our days that we feel rushed and overwhelmed at all times. So the day is going to go by so quickly because we're going to look at this list that we ostensibly wrote for a single day, and we're going to be like, I am only a third of the way through that and the day's over. How did that day pass so quickly?
Yep.
Whereas realistically, it's just because we imagined a day was way longer.
I think that might be what
than
it
it
is.
was.
We're constantly disappointing ourselves because we feel like the day can hold more than it really can. And this is something that I wrote down for my like theories of why life seems to go faster. My life is so much more complex than it used to be. And this is kind of silly, but I was watching Anna play Monster Hunter yesterday, and she's at I forget, it's the people that do research and stuff like that, I think. I don't remember.
Dudes.
They're in the hub area.
They're people.
And there's one guy, he's this old guy with elf ears, and he's old, and he's got a beard, and he's like an elf or something. But he's just sitting on this heap of books, like reading a single book. And I was like, in this fantasy world, I bet you that guy wakes up every day, and he just sits on his pile of books and researches, and that's all he has to do. Like, that's the one thing on his checklist is wake up and do monster research, and I'm just going to be sitting on that pile of books every day. Meanwhile, I'm waking up on a Friday morning thinking, okay, I need to outline 2 podcast episodes and outline 2 videos and build the podcast set, and I need to finish the website design for Martin, and I need to make tea and go for a bike ride and make breakfast.
Yeah.
And later on, I have to go to a movie, and I have to go to a birthday party, which means I have to get a present.
Oh,
so
God.
it's like there's a zillion things I have to do, and I likely will not get all of them done. But also, I think it's like there's the fact that I have so much planned means my mind is always looking forward to the next thing instead of actually truly experiencing the one that I'm doing right now. And that's really hard to get over. I don't really know how to stop doing that.
Well, and you have no freedom. There are no periods of time where you can be like, hey, that looks fun. Oh, but I can't. Maybe tomorrow.